I actually discovered yesterday a secret part of Antelope Canyon just under the bridge. We are making the walk to Horseshoe Bend. Honestly, given the state of the clouds, I don't really have high hopes for the sunset, but we're $10 in and we're committed. All right, we just wrapped up sunset here at Horseshoe Bend. Like I said, nothing spectacular. Time lapse is probably gonna suck too, but we did location scout for tomorrow morning. I actually discovered yesterday a secret part of Antelope Canyon just under the bridge. You sort of have to sneak over a gate, but I got my Antelope Canyon shots pretty much, not with the overhead light and the sunbeams, but given the price that things are, like basically comes out to 75 bucks per person. I don't know if it's really worth it. We are at the beginning of the trail for Buckskin Gulch. It's a slot canyon, about 20 miles. Not sure at what point exactly it starts, but some point, hopefully soon. We are here in Buckskin Canyon, Buckskin Gulch. Here's Megan.
It's super cool here.
It's really narrow. You can look behind me, the passage. We didn't really go all the way down. There's a little bit of passage here and a little bit over there after it opens up. Got some photos, video, vertical, horizontal, drone flying in from the canyon opening over there. A little sketchy because it's a really tight area. Some wander with George looking up stuff. And
What if he watches your vlog? It's more like wander with.
so from here we're gonna have breakfast finally. It's like 3 p.m., 3:30, and then head over to Zion.